Hello everyone, Andy here and welcome to episode 2, my second video of the Black Panther project, where we're going to be restoring the headlights. So I masked up the surrounding area was the first thing to do, just to protect the paintwork, so obviously I'm going to be sanding and I didn't want to damage it. I then lubricated the headlight itself with just some water and some, I think it was 800 grit sandpaper. Gave it a wipe down and then progressed with 1000 grit sandpaper. So next stage after this was to polish the headlight. So I used a medium to heavy cut Hex Orange Pad with a Guild dual action polisher and some Mcguires Ultimate Compound. So I just started off slow with it, just to sort of spread it around, and then revved it up to give it a good polish. So then quick wipe down and then progressed to some super resin polish by Glym. Last thing to do, quick wipe down, then remove the masking tape around the headlight, just so then I could give the area a quick sort of spray down and sort of clean up the surrounding area. After wiping it down, I used some showroom shine I just had lying in the shed, and it's quite good because it polishes and has wax in, so it'll protect the headlight after all the work I've done. So here's the outcome. By no means perfect. If I got really close, you'll still see there is some slight scratches, but pretty much from standing distance they look fairly brand new. Let me know what you think in the comments. So this is like an example of what it looked like before. You can see totally full of scratches, really dull, very yellow. And then if I whip back over here quickly, you can see it's quite nice, shiny, bright. The silver's coming through now, it's not yellow anymore. And there's a little comparison left to right of the polished one on the left and restored, and how it came on the right, dulled by the sun. I think it's a pretty good DIY job.